Poor Wolfie. Still jam packed. So there's been no van build this week. We've just been getting stuff sorted out. We've done a couple of full loads. As you can see, he's fully laid in again now. He's got some serious weighting in this time. All the wardrobes and everything's in, and some shelving and stuff ready to go up. It's just been mad busy. We've sorted out the garage. I thought I'll get the garage sorted out. We need to put the washing machine out here and on. And I got down to this back corner. I should have filmed it beforehand. There's a couple of old toolboxes with some stuff and I'll go through them, but they all look rusted. But this sheet of roof was in front of this door and I thought nothing of it when we came to see the house, but when you actually get here, there's no door. So I'm just cleaning that up now. Get some racks in and can start sorting out, because until I get my garage stuff out of the bus, Wolfie bus, until I get my garage stuff out, there's not much happening. And I can't get my garage stuff out until I've got somewhere to put it in the garage. So it looks fairly watertight. The water ingress looks like it's been coming off this root system here, which I've just dug a load out of and got in the bin. That should keep the cat out. All fixed in for now. An old door over there, right down to the bottom, patched in. Then the sheet. And I can start loading up. Get the washing machine working here. Maybe jobs are good. And we found some things.
So the boys have been sorting out the garage today, and we've come across some old relics. This is from the moon landing from 1969. So that's an old relic, and we've got some really nice fine china cups. There's not a mark on them or a chip out of them. They're just obviously very old and dusty. Give them a clean. What else do we have? This? I'm not sure what this is. It's like a holder, like a cup. Again, fine china. And a Welsh jug. And this little beauty, about 4 plates, and I don't know what you call them. It's not a server, is it? The long plate? I don't know. But yeah, some interesting stuff. And Graham has found some old tools and he's really chuffed with them too. And now we're off down the garden to have a look at the old shed that's been left here. See what we can find.
For a long time, you can see.
Yeah, we can see. Might fall down. It's the Leaning Tower of Pisa at the moment, isn't it? Oof. Oh my gosh.
That's
Let's
an
have
old
a look.
sewing machine.
Ooh. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Is that an old mirror on the wall?
Mirror, mirror on the wall.
I need some light in there. Can the camera see?
It can see. You can see a bit.
Is that a lawnmower?
The saws. There's a lawnmower. Not another one.
Yeah, there's one there. There's one here as well, look. There's 2 lawnmowers here.
And we've already got 4.
No, 2 we've got.
No, have a route. Take the camera in. I'm frightened of spiders falling on my head.
Shell's been tidying up and making good in the house. I guess I should have done this before, but this is the modern kitchen we've got. There was a big old glass panel there. I'll put a picture of it up because I've got a picture, but I've just taken that out. We've got this just sorted to live in for now. So we need that fireplace sorting out and this lovely fireplace sorting out, and obviously decorating and curtains and some new lights and stuff down here. Change the colour of the walls because Shell's not a big Magnolia fan. Are you, Shell? And then up the stairs It's all been rewired previously, so I don't need to worry about that. And the plumbing's all been done, and the boiler. This is Maximus's room.
We're just scrubbing it.
So we're just scrubbing it clean now. And then we'll give it a wally of paint. He wants the walls blue, a blue blind, and eventually a blue carpet. Oh, his little lampshades up that he picked blue. And the walls were all cleaned off by Shell. So they're going to be ready for paint very soon. Quick base coat of white. Just seal up any edges. I've just been filling. I'm going to tape and joint these at the top here. But he's got his new curtain rail up and his curtains. His windowsills had a couple of coats. That just needs a light rub back now to smooth it out, and it can have a couple of finish coats. Had 2 under and 2 satin. Phone cam, so you'll have to excuse the quality. I'm just starting to take this wall out at the front, but I don't know who's made it. It's just blooming solid concrete. Anyway, a bit more digging than I thought. I thought I'd be this side done by now, and I'm only there. Joys. Still on the phone cam, but what should have been a couple of hour job turned into blooming near on 6 hours. Anyway, we can get the car on and open the doors at least.
Have you been sanding?
I've been sanding.
Look at that face.
Anyway,
Not like Casper.
after the day shift on the driveway, I'm now on the evening night shift on Maximus's bedroom. So I'm just sanding, and I'm going to try and throw a quick coat of white on. We've got lots of stuff to go the tip.
Yeah.
Maximus has been a good boy, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've been very excited, haven't you? Do you want your big washing machine?
Yes. Me?
There you go. You're going to take it into your room?
No.
Yes, take your washing machine into your room, please. So yeah, sorry guys, no VanBuild again. Just not had time. What I thought I'd get done in a few days has obviously extended out to a few more days, but we're getting there. I've got all the VanBuild stuff ready now. You have to excuse, the washing machine's on in the garage. All the VanBuild boxes, there's some camping boxes there, all the insulation and all the VanBuild boxes are there ready to go. And as soon as we've got that lockup emptied, we've ordered mattresses, the paint's down there. So yeah, we've got everything here ready to build, ready to paint. We've got mattresses ordered. It's bright, that light on me, isn't it? Makes me look really pale. We've got the mattresses ordered. All the bed slats are ready to go back in. Is he climbing in the van now? He's such a little boy. But yeah, as soon as we can, as soon as we've got this storage emptied, we'll be back on the van, and we're just going to get it. Hey boy. We're just going to get it into a usable state. So I'm going to cut the mattresses in, put his bedroom wall back up, clean out the water tanks, and we've got power, and we're ready for at least, we can get away for a bit, and just get out and experience it, and then concentrate on the rest when we get back. Showers and waste and fitting out all the furniture and everything. I think we're just going to box some clothes up, put some stuff in the boot, and get going. But yeah, it's just a quick update really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you say?
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
And see you next time.
See you next time. And don't forget to
Like, subscribe.
And ring the bell.
Ring the bell.
Good stuff. Thanks everyone. See you next week. Take care.